The untold story of Apollo 1. Apollo 1 marked a pivotal moment in the intense space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. This mission symbolized humanity's relentless quest to explore the unknown and demonstrated the high stakes and immense challenges of space exploration. The Apollo program aimed to land humans on the Moon and return them safely to Earth. Spearheaded by NASA, it sought to advance space technology, enhance scientific knowledge, and fulfill President Kennedy's vision of American leadership in space. The Apollo 1 crew comprised 3 exceptional astronauts: Gus Grissom, a seasoned spacefarer; Ed White, the first American to conduct a spacewalk; and Roger B. Chaffee, a promising rookie. Their combined expertise and dedication were integral to the mission. Apollo 1's mission objectives included testing the spacecraft's systems, evaluating ground support, and preparing for future lunar missions. The success of this mission was critical in paving the way for the eventual moon landing envisioned by the Apollo program. The Apollo Command Module was meticulously designed to support and protect astronauts during their journey. It featured advanced life support systems, navigation tools, and a robust heat shield, embodying the cutting-edge technology of its time and ensuring the crew's safety in space. The astronauts of Apollo 1 underwent intense training to prepare for their mission. This included simulations of various mission scenarios, practicing emergency procedures, and extensive physical conditioning. Their rigorous preparation aimed to ensure they were ready for any challenge that might arise. Launch Pad 34 at Cape Canaveral was the designated site for Apollo 1's launch. This site held historical significance as it was previously used for Saturn IB launches. The pad was equipped with the necessary technology to support the Apollo missions. In the weeks leading up to the mission, the crew conducted numerous pre-flight tests. These tests were crucial for identifying potential issues and verifying the spacecraft's readiness. Each test brought the mission one step closer to launch day. On January 27, 1967, during a routine pre-launch test, tragedy struck. A fire broke out in the cabin of the Apollo Command Module. Despite their best efforts, the crew was unable to escape, and all 3 astronauts perished. The immediate aftermath of the fire saw a swift response from NASA and emergency services. Efforts were made to recover the astronauts and assess the situation. The accident led to a halt in the Apollo program as investigations began. The investigation into the Apollo 1 disaster revealed numerous design flaws and procedural lapses. Electrical issues and flammable materials within the command module were key factors. The findings prompted a thorough review, ensuring such a tragedy would never recur in future missions. Post-Apollo 1, NASA implemented significant safety changes, including redesigning the command module and enhancing emergency protocols. The integration of fire-resistant materials and improved hatch mechanisms were crucial. These modifications aimed to protect astronauts and prevent similar catastrophic events. Apollo 1 profoundly shaped NASA's approach to space exploration, instilling a culture of rigorous safety standards. The lessons learned became foundational, influencing the successful execution of subsequent Apollo missions, culminating in the historic Apollo 11 moon landing. Tributes honoring the Apollo 1 astronauts are numerous, ranging from plaques at Kennedy Space Center to the Astronaut Memorial Foundation's Space Mirror. These memorials serve as enduring reminders of their sacrifice and the vital importance of safety in space exploration. The legacy of Apollo 1 endures in the continuous pursuit of safer space travel. The mission's tragic outcome underscored the inherent risks of exploration, fostering advancements that have safeguarded countless astronauts and propelled humanity's journey beyond Earth. Apollo 1's legacy spurred significant technological advancements in spacecraft design and safety protocols. This mission's tragedy catalyzed innovations that ensured the safety of future astronauts, leading to more robust materials, improved fireproofing, and comprehensive environmental control systems, setting new standards for space exploration. The public and media reaction to the Apollo 1 tragedy was intense and emotional. News outlets provided extensive coverage, highlighting the astronauts' bravery and sacrifice. The incident prompted widespread public interest in NASA's missions, fostering a deeper connection between the space program and the American people. The political consequences of the Apollo 1 disaster were profound. Congressional hearings scrutinized NASA's operations, leading to increased oversight and funding for space exploration. This tragedy underscored the importance of rigorous safety measures, prompting lawmakers to prioritize astronaut safety in future missions. The astronauts' families faced unimaginable grief but displayed remarkable resilience. Their stories added a deeply personal dimension to the tragedy, reminding the public of the human cost of exploration. Their courage and advocacy played a crucial role in pushing for safety reforms within NASA. For those interested in learning more, several documentaries and books provide in-depth accounts of Apollo 1. These resources offer detailed narratives, personal interviews, and historical context, allowing readers and viewers to understand the mission's significance and the lessons learned from this pivotal moment in space history. The Apollo 1 mission taught NASA invaluable lessons about safety protocols and the importance of rigorous testing. The tragic cabin fire led to comprehensive design reviews and engineering improvements, ensuring that future missions could be conducted with minimized risk and greater confidence. To honor the Apollo 1 astronauts, we should continue to educate ourselves and others about their story and its impact on space exploration. Sharing their legacy helps remind us of the sacrifices made and the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity.